Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video I'm going to show you a super simple way to calculate an 80% discount using your calculator. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with an example. Suppose you have an item that costs $1,357. You want to find out what the final price will be after applying an 80% discount. Here's how to do it in just 3 easy steps. Enter the original price, which is $1,357, into your calculator. Press the multiply button and multiply by 20. Now, you might be wondering, why do we multiply by 20? Let's break it down. When we talk about percentages, the total is always 100%. An 80% discount means you are paying 80% less than the original price. So, if you take 80% away from 100%, you are left with 20%. In other words, paying 20% of the original price means you are saving 80%. So, by multiplying the original price by 20, then using the percentage button, you're effectively calculating 20% of the original price, which gives you the final amount after the discount. So, finally, let's press that percentage button. And voila, the final amount after an 80% off is $271.40. Let's do one more example to make sure we've got it. Imagine this time we have an item priced at $2,450. So let's enter that into the calculator. Press the multiply button, multiply by 20. Then let's press the percentage button. So after an 80% off, the final price comes out to be $490. This quick method saves you time and ensures accuracy. And there you have it, folks, a fast and easy way to calculate 80% off a price using your calculator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.